to my YouTube channel. My name is Josephine if this is your first time around. I'm a 24-year-old girl from Sweden making fashion content and I absolutely love Christmas. So today I want to show you how to make a really cheap tree like this look more glamorous and gorgeous like this. So there's no need for you to go out and buy a new tree. I know that every single year the trees just get more gorgeous and beautiful and better, but it's not sustainable and it's not great for your wallet. So work with what you have and trust me, you can make a cheap tree like this look just as gorgeous. This is something that I had for like 3-4 years now, so something that I got when I was about 20 I think, and it has stuck with me since then. It is not the most gorgeous, but it works and it does the job. So get you a cup of tea and your snacks and let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do, guys, is of course to fluff the tree. It is the most tedious job and is the worst, but has to be done and it is worth it. So I'm just literally pulling out all the branches in different directions, as many directions as I possibly can, to make it look more full. So I've only done just a little bit, but this is looking so much better already. Okay, now the tree is all fluffed up. That is looking so much better. Yes, it does still look like a very cheap tree, but we're not done yet. So let's see if we can get it look a little bit better. Okay, so now I go in and try and fill in the gaps. So I've got this really cheap like Christmas wreath. So I'm just going to put that in the bottom where it's the least branches. And then I just spread out the garland and try to fill in the gaps. So I've got 4 of these. It's a mix of like silicone branches and the metal ones, so it's definitely better quality than the actual tree, but these 4 sticks will just add a little something to the tree so it looks a little bit more full, and they only cost me like £1 at my local like dollar store. And for the last step, I am spraying the tree with snow spray. So you can flock it or spray it with just, you know, this fake snow spray. Either way is fine. It might not even be your taste, but if it is, and you do like the snowy look, then it definitely give it a try. It does make the tree look more full and luxurious. it takes off the, like, because the branches look so cheap, but when you spray them they look a little bit more real, sort of. Also be very careful so that you don't get snow spray on your wall or your curtains, which I did here. So I'm just taking a piece of paper and wiping it. Now if you do feel that you've got too much snow on your tree, don't worry, you can do the same there. Just take a small sheet of paper and then just stab it on the spots where you think it's got too much snow. Jingle with me, baby. That's all the tips and tricks I have and what I do to make this tree look a bit of a fall and a bit more gorgeous and glamorous. Now, I'm going to do my decorate my Christmas tree with me. That video is going to go live tomorrow. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Then I will also be doing an upload on Sundays, since Tuesday, Thursday and Sundays are my regular uploading days. So we'll have Friday today, Saturday tomorrow, and then Sunday. So 3 uploads, like 3 days in a row. You don't want to miss that. Hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys then. Bye!